Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial on how I installed this bob. This is from originalqueenhair.com. They contacted me to do a review and to do something with this wig, so I decided to make it into a side part. At first I tried a middle part, but I really hate middle parts on me. I really do. Anyway, so this is from Original Queen Hair. This is their 13 by 4 inch straight bob, 12 inches. 12 inches. I feel like it's the perfect length. It's not too short and it's not too long. Usually I might have to cut wigs when they come to me, but this one was perfect, and I haven't done anything to this wig except bleach the knots, pluck the hairline, and that's it. It did come pre-plucked, but I decided to pluck it some more just because I like it overly plucked. So anyways, yeah, I will have all the details down below in the description for y'all. So yeah, if you want to see how I install this, then keep watching. Alright guys, so you want to start out with the stocking cap, the color of your skin or close to it, and then you want to cut out your ears so it will lay flat. Then you're going to take your Got To Be Free spray and just spray it all around your hairline like so. You can either use a blow dryer to dry it or just let it air dry for about, I don't know, 30 minutes. And then you cut off the excess cap. So I know my scissors are trash. Don't judge me. I need some real scissors, but these are actually the best scissors that I have right now. So anyway, just cut that off as close to your hairline as possible. And make sure not to cut your hair, because that's what I keep doing, like trying not to cut my hair. That's why I keep checking, like, oop, oop, oop. So yeah, just cut that on off, and then you're going to take the black Got To Be, which is the clear kind, and then you're just going to put that all around the edges just to make sure that it lays flat as possible. So you want to put that all around and then let that dry. And now you're going to take some makeup, or if you have tint spray or whatever you want to do. This is the way I do it. I'm just taking some powder makeup and I'm just applying it all around the cap, all over. Put as much as you can just so it will match your skin tone. Put it all around as much as you can. Alright, now this is the wig. After I have plucked the hairline and bleached the knots and all that good stuff, looks pretty good. I think I did a good job. So now you're just going to put your wig on. Pull it to your desired look. I don't like that low hairline look because people know your hairline is not that low, girl. So yeah, so now I'm just going to cut a little bit of the lace so it'll be easier when I am putting it down. So as you can see, I can maneuver it a lot better when it's cut. So I do the middle first. So I spray the Got To Be close to the hairline, and then I use a blow dryer. And now I'm going to do the sides. So I know it's moving kind of fast, so I'll slow it down for you. So you just spray the Got To Be, and I use my rat tail comb just to lay it down a lot more flat. Then I'm going to do the other side also. Like that. and use your blow dryer to blow dry it. And then I did cut off the lace off camera. Sorry about that. And I put some wrap strips around my edges. So voila, y'all. So this is the middle part look. I hate myself with the middle part, so I decided to move it to the side. So this is how it came out when I moved it to the side and flat ironed it down and everything. Really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye.